Not looking too good. Still about a 7. So I'm gonna plant the blueberries now. I did add more sulfur even after the video is made. The pH tester shows that it's still not around 5 to 4, but that's fine. I'll still plant this and we'll see if the... So I've dug a hole here for the blueberry. I made this deep because I wanted to reach the clay soil. You can see I dug some of the clay out too. This is just so I can put the good soil here, but also because I wanted to add in some peat moss. Peat moss is also supposed to be acidic, which is good since blueberries need acidic soil. So I'll add this in. You use a good amount. Okay, so I mixed some peat moss in here. It's over here. I just took it out so I can plant the blueberry. Very dry soil. I should have watered this. Plant's a bit wilted. You can see they also added some roots and cocoa bark. Pine needles are also very acidic. It'll help, but here in Texas I don't have pine needles. So I think I can make this a bit more on the surface. So peat moss does retain a lot of moisture, which is why some people put this in pots and add perlite to it. But it should be fine as long as your soil is well draining. The sulfur will also help make it more acidic. Okay, so now both of these are planted in. I did add the peat moss for the second one as well and covered up in the soil. This soil back here is just a bit of clay soil. I'll even this out and also remember to water after you transplant. You'll see how these grow.